Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start activity 8, the sum of first n even natural numbers. Objective of this activity is to verify that the sum of first n even natural numbers, that means 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to plus 2n is equal to n into n plus 1 by paper activity. Prerequisite knowledge. Natural numbers, that means counting of numbers, for example 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Odd natural numbers, that means the natural numbers which are not divisible by 2, for example 1, 3, 5 and so on. Even natural numbers, that means natural numbers which are divisible by 2, for example 2, 4, 6 and so on. Formula to find the nth term of an AP, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 whole into d. Materials required for this activity are squared papers, sketch pens, pencils, adhesive, geometry box, a pair of scissors, white drawing sheets. Procedure. Take a rectangular chart paper of dimension n by n plus 1 units, where n is the number of columns and n plus 1 is the number of rows. Paste it on a white sheet of paper. As n is equal to 8 is considered, we have to find the sum of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. So our first term is 2 and the last term is 2n, that is 2 into 8, that is 16. Then demonstration. Color the internal squares with 8 different colors as shown in the figure, starting from the top left corner. So as shown in figure, you have to color the internal square with 8 different colors. So here, starting from the left corner, so first 2 squares are colored as red. Then 4 squares are colored orange. Then 6 squares colored as yellow. Then 8 squares colored as black. Then 10 squares colored as green. Then 12 squares colored indigo. Then 14 squares colored as aqua. Then 16 squares colored purple. Then put a white square dot on each of the internal colored squares as shown in the figure. So like this you have to put square dot on each of the internal colored square. So this is for easy counting. Now number of dots in first enclosure, that means first column and first two rows, that is red color, is equal to 2. So here two squares are colored as 2. So 2 can be represented as 1 into 1 plus 1. So these two squares form a rectangle having length 2 unit and breadth 1 unit. The area is 1 into 2, that is 2. So here these two squares are taken. Now number of dots in second enclosure, that means first two columns and first three rows, red and orange color. We have taken the squares having red and orange color like this. So the total number of squares here is 6. So 6 is equal to 2 into 3. 2 is the breadth and 3 unit is the length. So that is equal to 2 into 3, that is 6. Now number of dots in third enclosure, that means first 3 columns and first 4 rows, red, orange and yellow color. That is the number of squares is equal to 12 here. So if we will include red squares, orange squares and yellow squares, the number of squares will be 12 and the area will be 12 having length 3 unit, length 4 unit and breadth 3 unit. So that is equal to 3 into 4 or 3 into 3 plus 1, that is equal to 12. Similarly, if we will move further from first to 8th enclosures from red to purple, that means 8 columns and 9 rows, and by counting the respective dots we will have 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16, that is equal to 8 into 8 plus 1 or 8 into 9, that is equal to 72. This is the sum of first 8 even natural numbers. This result can be generalized for the sum of first n even numbers as Sn is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 up to plus 2n, that is equal to n into n plus 1. So this is our observation from our activity. So number of shaded squares, number of dots in terms of n into n plus 1, then result. These are the different columns. So first red color, 2 squares are there, number of dots are 2, that is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Then red plus orange is equal to 2 plus 4, number of dots are 6, that is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Then red plus orange plus yellow is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6. Number of dots are 12. Then in terms of n into n plus 1, 12 is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1, that is equal to 12. Then red plus orange plus yellow plus black is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, that is equal to 20 or 4 into 4 plus 1. Then next red plus orange plus yellow plus black plus green, that is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, that is equal to 30, is equal to 5 into 5 plus 1. Then if we will continue this process, then red plus orange plus yellow plus black plus green plus indigo plus aqua plus purple, that is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16. So number of dots are 72, that is equal to 8 into 8 plus 1, that is 72. So then if we will continue this process for n terms, so 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 up to n terms, so number of dots will be n into n plus 1 and the result will be n square plus n. So proceeding in the same way and generalizing the result on the above table, we can say that the number of dots in n into n plus 1 is. So from this activity we got the result. The sum of first n even natural numbers is n into n plus 1. That is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus up to plus 2n is equal to n into n plus 1. Thank you.